You're a business owner trying to run your company on so many different tools, from CRMs like HubSpot, Pipedrive, Pipefy, maybe a sales channel tool with Salesforce, bouncing back and forth with Gmail, Airtable. Maybe you're using Twilio to send out messages, communicating with your team with Slack, and then getting schedules on Calendly, the whole back end taxes and invoices on QuickBooks. Then you're trying to tape everything together with Zapier or another tool similar. And the issue with these tools is that they don't speak to each other, and it locks you into a specific workflow that may not be conducive for your work environment, but you have to do what you have to do. What's your other option? Now, the SaaS apocalypse. This is the other options. These models have enabled increased bandwidth, the ability for you to centralize everything. See, this is the old way. Archaic, slow, bloated, and restricts all creativity to optimize and run your business. See, this is the new way right here. Going to these models, the LLM models, and building a custom, centralized one system that goes deep on your type of business and the way that you work. See, there's some businesses spending tens of thousands of dollars on the low end per month for these solutions right here, because what else could they do? You can drop all of that, cancel all of that, and build a centralized version completely custom to your business. And it's as simple as speaking to AI, devising a plan, going to a plan and say, I use HubSpot, Salesforce, Calendly. Is that how you pronounce Calendly? It's a terrible name. Gmail and Slack. I'm tired of these tools not being able to speak to each other and hopping from tool to tool, causing friction with employees and customers. Just generate a plan and build your own system and deploy it yourself on your own server, cutting all the costs, because this is where the puck is going. This is where businesses are going. Yes, you absolutely can build this. And honestly, the timing is right. What you're describing is a unified business operating system, one app that handles your CRM, pipeline scheduling, communication, and team messaging, all sharing the same data model so nothing falls through the cracks. And then literally break it down. CRM plus pipeline replaces HubSpot and Salesforce. Connect records, company records, deal stages, activity timeline, everything you need for a CRM that you can customly build. And when you're done, run the app. Just like that. And deploy it yourself. These days right here, completely over.